Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in the Sinking City 2 game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. First, fix steps to fix sound problem or audio problem in the Sinking City 2 game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound. Scroll down. Under advanced option click on more sound settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab, and from the drop down over here, first select off option, hit on apply, OK, and then relaunch the game and check. If that doesn't work and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then again relaunch the game and check if the sound or audio problem is fixed or not. Fix 2 makes your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Sinking City 2 game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3 steps to fix sound or audio problem in the Sinking City 2 game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click on the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then click on apply and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 4 set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device selected, restart the game and then check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix sound or audio issues in the Sinking City 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.